Molweni, good afternoon, goeiedag. My name is Qaqamba Mhlauli. I am the Student Recruitment Officer for the Sciences Faculty at Stellenbosch University. Welcome to this presentation for prospective students. On the agenda today, we will be answering the question, what is science? Is science for you? What can you study in the Faculty of Sciences? Do you qualify to study with us? Possible careers that you can venture into? How do you apply? And our contact details should you need further information. What is science? Science is the pursuit and application of knowledge and understanding of the natural and social world, following a systematic methodology based on evidence. And what can a BSc degree do for you? A BSc degree will broaden and intensify your scientific knowledge, enhance your problem-solving, reasoning, and scientific communication skills, provide you with a sound higher academic qualification as take-off for your professional career. Is science for me? Are you passionate about the natural sciences? Are you curious about the natural world? Are you always asking why and how things work? If you've answered yes in at least one of those questions, then science is definitely for you. What can you study in the Sciences Faculty at Stellenbosch University? We've got 4 broad fields where we have 11 BSc degrees that you can follow. The broad fields are biological sciences, physical sciences, mathematical sciences, and the interdisciplinary fields. We also have an interfaculty program, which is data sciences. Let's look at the programs that fall under biological sciences. The first one is a BSc Biodiversity and Ecology. This is a program that focuses on the diversity, origin, and function of organisms in relation to their environment and provides a conceptual understanding of animals and plants, ecology, evolution, biological changes on a global scale, and remediation practices. The major subjects that you can do in this program are biodiversity and ecology, which can lead to specialization in botany or zoology. We also have the BSc Molecular Biology and Biotechnology. This is a program that gives you the background knowledge to understand the functioning of any living organism at molecular level and lays the foundation for a career requiring knowledge and skills in molecular cell biology and biotechnology. The major subjects here are a combination of biochemistry, genetics, and microbiology. One of our most popular programs is the BSc Human Life Sciences, which is a program that provides the basis for understanding the functioning of the human body and mind from molecular to systems level. Our focal areas in this program are biology or biology with psychology. We have the BSc Sports Sciences, which is a program that studies body motion from various perspectives, such as the physiological and biomechanical. Major subjects in this program are physiology and kinesiology. We then move on to the physical sciences, where our first program is the BSc Chemistry. This program provides students with training in the different fields of chemistry, such as inorganic, organic, analytic, physical, and polymer chemistry. And our focal areas for this program are chemistry and polymer science, chemical biology, and materials technology. We have a BSc Physics, which provides students with the physics knowledge, technical and specific scientific skills required with laser physics, nuclear physics, radiation and health physics, and theoretical physics. Focal areas for this program are laser physics physical, nuclear physics, radiation and health physics, laser physics biological, and theoretical physics. Earth Sciences is a program that focuses on the practical and theoretical training in geology and geoenvironmental sciences. Focal areas for this program are applied earth sciences and geoenvironmental sciences. We then have the BSc Geoinformatics, which is a program that focuses on the theoretical, methodological, and practical aspects of geoinformatics used to record digitally, manipulate, analyze, model, and map spatial information. And focal areas for this program are geoinformation technology and computer sciences, or socioinformatics. Moving on to mathematical sciences. Our first program here is a BSc in Mathematical Sciences. This is a program that has 4 focal areas which have different fields in the mathematical sciences as focus, and of which you can choose one. So the focal areas would be mathematics, applied mathematics, abstract mathematics, or operations research. We have a BSc in Computer Science, which will equip you with extensive knowledge of computer science, including programming, computer systems, databases, networks, operating systems, and concurrent programming. Focal areas for this program are general computer science, with majors in applied mathematics, economics, general linguistics, mathematical statistics, mathematics, operations research, or statistics. Computer systems is another focal area. We've got data science with choices of majors in computer science, data engineering, mathematical statistics, and statistics. Computer sciences with genetics, and computer sciences with geographical information technology. We then have the interdisciplinary BSc qualifications. The focal areas in the interdisciplinary BSc degree programs allow for a more multidisciplinary approach, which leads to multidisciplinary postgraduate options. And our programs in the interdisciplinary fields are a BSc with the focal area Applied Medicinal Chemistry. This focus area combines with biological sciences and physical sciences with patent law as third-year modules. Your postgrad study opportunities would lie in physiological sciences or chemistry. We have a BSc with focal area Bioinformatics and Computational Biology. This focus area combines biochemistry, bioinformatics, computer science, and genetics on a multidisciplinary level. And postgraduate study options for this program would be in bioinformatics and computational biology. BSc with focal area Biomedical Mathematical Sciences. This focus area combines fields such as engineering, mathematical sciences, and the biological sciences. Postgraduate study options here would be in physiological sciences, mathematics, or biomedical engineering. We then have a BSc with focal area Biomathematics. This one is an area that combines applied mathematics in combination with biochemistry or biodiversity and ecology. And postgraduate study options here would be in mathematics with a focus on biomathematics, biochemistry, botany, or zoology. Then our interfaculty program is a BDET-Sci, which is a Bachelor of Data Sciences. 4 faculties work together to present the BDET-Sci program. That is the Natural Sciences, which is our faculty, the Economic and Management Sciences faculty, Agri-Sciences, and Arts and Humanities. This program provides a thorough foundation in all aspects of the data life cycle and includes data gathering, processing, analysis, and visualization. The Faculty of Sciences offers 3 of the 9 focal areas for this program, which are applied mathematics, computer sciences, and statistical physics. The big question is, do you qualify to study in the sciences faculty at Stellenbosch University? You need to have a minimum average of at least 65% in your final school leaving results. These are now your final matric results. You need to have obtained a minimum performance of a level 4 in English or Afrikaans. This could be home language or your first additional language. You must have mathematics as a school subject, and you must obtain at least a minimum performance of 5 or a level 6. This would depend on the program that you would be applying for. Physical sciences is a requirement in most of our programs, and you need a minimum level 4 for physical sciences. Now remember guys, these are minimum requirements, and they do not mean that you would get a spot in our programs, but they do definitely mean that you can apply for a program in the sciences faculty. There are also other programs that would have further or higher requirements than this. So please do check our website and do check our program guides. What can you do with a BSc degree? Remember guys that our BSc degrees are fundamental qualifications, therefore we do advise that you study further. So you can do your honors, you can do your masters, and even study towards your PhD. What can you do with your BSc degree? So there are quite a number of careers that you can follow with regards to your BSc qualification. Please do your research. Look at things that you can study towards, then look at careers that you can follow. Or first look at the career that you want to follow, then research what program that you can study. So there are a number of careers that you can follow. Do visit our website and do check our program guide, because we have all this information for you. So there are different paths that you can follow, and there are different careers that you can also follow. So for example, if you're looking at programs in the interdisciplinary, you could become an analyst, you could become a data scientist, you can become a statistician. If we're looking at programs in mathematical sciences, you can get into finance, you can become an economist, you can be a mathematician, you can be a software developer. When we're looking at programs in biology, you can be a zoologist, you can be a botanist. Looking at programs in the physical sciences, you can get into hydrology, you can become a soil scientist, a geochemist. So there are a lot of possibilities. The only important thing for you to do is your research, find out what career path you want to follow and what program you need to study with us for you to get into that career path. How do you apply to study at Stellenbosch University, and more importantly, at the Sciences faculty? Go to www.matis.com and complete an e-application online. Our applications close on the 31st of July, and I would like to urge you guys to apply as soon as we open. Do not wait till the last day or last week or even the last month. So the sooner you apply, the better it is for you. And for you to make a more informed choice before you can apply, or if you are unsure, you can contact our academic advisor, which is Ms. Attica Valentine at attica@sun.ac.za. And myself, Ms. Qaqamba Mhlauli, who is the recruitment officer, I'll be coming to your schools. You'll be seeing me at Open Day. I'm the one that is behind this mic, presenting to you guys, and I'm always willing to help. Whatever questions that you guys have, whatever assistance that you need, please feel free to contact me. You can send me a direct email to qmhlauli@sun.ac.za, or you can send an email to science@sun.ac.za. I also have a WhatsApp number that I'm using, but you can also call me on the same number. This is 078-423-5373, and my office line is 021-808-2681. Thank you, prospective students, for joining us for the Science Faculty Open Day presentation. I really hope this information is helpful to you guys, and please remember to reach out to us. It can be through social media, email, or you can even WhatsApp or call us. I am always willing to help you guys, and I'm really excited to meet you all. Ndiabulela, thank you, bye danki.